Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Johnson. In this video, I will introduce you to this topic, bearings. So what is a bearing? A bearing is a direction. Okay, it is always measured clockwise from north. Bearings are typically used in navigation to describe the direction of travel. And bearings are expressed in three figures. Here we have 120 degrees. Here we have 65 degrees. So the bearing of B from A is going to be 065 degrees. That's what I meant by three figures. Write the bearing of B from A. This word from is very important. So when it is from A, we go to A, and then we are writing the bearing of B. So the angle given over here, 77 degrees, is your answer. This is 077 degrees. That's your answer for A. Work out the bearing of A from B. So the clockwise direction, we have to measure all the way to A. So this is the angle that we need to work out over here. Extend this line a little bit. Now, as you can see, this line forms a straight line, and then this angle over here, let me just highlight that with a different color. This angle over here, we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So now this is 180 degrees, we need to find this. One fact that you have learned, that this angle should be equal to this angle because they are alternate angles. To answer question B, all you have to do is 180 plus 77 is 257 degrees. So that's the answer for B. Now let's look at question number 2. The points A and B are two towns. Question A, write the bearing of B from A. And the next one says, write the bearing of A from B. So here are these 2 points, A and B. First, let us draw a line to join these 2 points. I have these 2 points over here, A and B. Because the question says, write the bearing of B from A. So at A, I will draw a vertical line, and that's your, and label it N. That states it is north. Okay, now I need a protractor and I need to measure this angle. Is 72 degrees. Okay, this angle over here is 72 degrees. And answer for question A, bearing of B from A is 072 degrees. Now the next question says, write the bearing of A from B. So let me go to B and draw a line that is north. So that's north. I need to measure the bearing of A from B. So this is point B. I need to measure this angle over here in the clockwise direction. And you all know already, if this straight line over here is 180 degrees, 72, and these are alternate angles, so that is equal to 72. So bearing of, answer for question B, bearing of A from B is going to be 180 plus 72. Plus 2 is 252 degrees. It says, write the bearing of P from Q and work out the bearing of Q from P. So it's the same thing. Bearing of P from Q. So we go to this point Q, and then they have given already 348 degrees. So your answer for question A, bearing of P from Q is 348 degrees. Now the next question says, work out the bearing of Q from P. We have to work out the bearing of Q from P. North is already there, which means I need to work out this angle. Okay, so there are so many different ways to work out this answer. Number one is to find this angle over here. Angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. So 360 minus 348 gives you 12 degrees. So this angle over here is 12 degrees. And then when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So this angle over here must be 180 minus 12, which is 168 degrees. So this is 168 degrees, is 168 degrees. Thank you for watching.